Hi, hello to everyone. In the previous video, we have seen how what will happen when we have two classes and a main function in one class. Okay, here I have written one more program with two classes. Sorry, three classes. Okay, two classes. The first class is class addition. In that, I initiated two variables, that is integer type, and I created a function which is integer type. That means whatever the calculation done in this and whatever the function returns. Returning means what, ma? Say for example, generally we will write exam. What will be the result? Returning what you will get, you get the result, right? So in the same way for the function, if it is here, it is specified int data type, right? That means this function access the integer type variables and also returns the integer type. Returns means giving the result, whatever the process have done in it. For that result, it will give back to the class which is having main function. Okay, so here what in this addition class I have initiated, sorry, not initiated, defined, declared only two variables which are of int type and a function which is of integer data type, and for that I have given two arguments, parameters. Okay, parameters integer x comma integer y, and in the function I just declared or assigned a to x, b to y, and one more variable I created, that is z, which is equals to 0. In that what I did, I just add the two values which are given as parameter arguments to add, and it is placed in z. That will be returned to the main class. Okay, next one more class I created, that is addition 1. Addition 1, string str1, string str2, these are the two string types, and I have created more function, that is add, which is of string data type. That means it returns string type data, and it also takes two variables of string type. Next I just defined or assigned s1 to string str1, s2 to str2, and created str3 which is having only space. That's this type, no? Just we have to initialize it space. For the integer variable, we are initializing the 0 or 1 like that. For the character strings are character values or string types, we have to declare initiate to space. Next, I concatenated two strings by using the plus operator, right? So here it is returning the string type data which is str3. Next, coming to last class, that is public addition 3, which is having the main function. In that first create the first class addition. This is object created for the addition class. Okay, by this statement it creates a object which type addition, the name is ad. In I created more variable, I initialized one more variable which I am coming and returning. It is returning, that is in the integer it is returning, so that will be stored in the integer type j. So I am calling here the function add come by using the object created for addition, that is ad, using that ad by using the period operator. I am calling the function which is in addition class. I am passing two integer type values, and those are whatever the process specified here will be taken, and the value is initialized to j. Not initialized, it is assigned to j. Then printing the value. Next to next this class second object created by addition, and here created a type which is having a space. Next, that by using object of addition class a1, I called the function which is addition class, right? And I just passed it to strings. String will be initialized to this, and then this process will take place, and then the value is assigned to k, and the k will be printed here. Okay, this is the process what will happen if you have more than one class. Now let us go to the command prompt, and now let us compile it. Java C. What is the saved name of this program? Edition 3. The class which is having the main, that name is given for saving of this program. Okay, so Java C edition dot, and press enter. No errors. Again, before that, let us see what are the files created while it's compiling. Open all files. In this you can see starting. See, this is the Java file, and we are having 3 classes. So 3 class files are created, but only this class will be executed as it is having main function in it. Okay, now go to, let us execute the program Java edition 3 and press enter. Got? So the total is 100, and this is the what we have given. Let us see it is correct or not. In first class, what we have specified 90 and 10 for addition class. 90 plus 10 is 100. We got 100 there. We got 100 there, and this is concatenated string. Yes, understand. Like this we can have many classes, and like this we can access the using the object. You can access function in the classes. Okay, if you have any doubts, say that in the section.